If you want to change icon colors on the Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you can scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper and Style. And then over here, we can choose the color palette. We can turn on color palette, and you can also apply palette to app icons. So let's say I'm going to turn this option on. And the palette, of course, is selectable over here at the bottom. Here we also have a little preview. So you can try to find whichever palette you like the most. You can also go for basic colors if you want to choose one of these. There are also additional options if you swipe left or right. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Just tap on the apply button, wait a couple of seconds, and then you should be able to go to the home screen and see how it looks like. Now keep in mind that only some icons are going to be unfortunately updated. Most of the time, if you take a look at third-party apps, as you can see, and they are not updated. In some cases they are, like for example here we can see Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify, which are adjusted, but there are other apps that unfortunately are not. So if you're looking for consistency, if you wish to have all icons changed, let's actually turn this off for now. What you can do instead is you can go to the Themes app, to the Themes option, but this is actually Galaxy Themes app. Now in here at the bottom, we can go to icons, and then you can try to get an icon that is colored in a way that you like. Most of the time at the bottom here, we can find free offers, but we can also go to top, and then we can search from all to free. So we can see only free content and the most popular ones. And then you can try to find whichever theme you like the most. So let's say I like this theme over here. Then we should be able to download the theme. Then let's apply this. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to have new style for icons. And unfortunately, in this case, also only some icons are unfortunately updated. So what you can do is you can keep going, and I'm pretty sure you should be able to find something that is actually changed. Now, unfortunately, you might not be able to find a theme that actually changes everything. Maybe it is going to still stand out in some way or another. But I'm pretty sure you should be able to find something that you like the most in case you really want to use a custom style for icons. So there we go. This is one example. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.